Michelle Chu with Dream Cars Credit. I just wanted to let you know that all of our vehicles here at Dream Cars Credit undergo a rigorous 120-point inspection as well as a thorough reconditioning process. You can also view a free Carfax report right on our website at dreamcarscredit.com. If you'd like to see more pictures of this vehicle, you can visit us online at dreamcarscredit.com. There you can also find a map to our location, and you can even apply for credit and get approved the same day. You can call us toll-free at 888-929-3110, or if you're ready to test drive that dream car, why don't you come on down and see me. We're located right off of Highway 290 East in Austin.